Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to crop a video in CapCut. If you've ever shot a video and realized there's a distracting background or you want to fit your footage into a certain aspect ratio, cropping is the solution. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to trim away those unwanted edges and make your video perfectly suited for your project, whether it's for Instagram, YouTube, or anywhere else. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to import your video into CapCut. Now, if you're new to CapCut, don't worry. This part is super straightforward. Open up CapCut and head to the main workspace. You'll see an import button right there at the top. Click it, find your video file on your computer or mobile device, and let it load in. This might take a few moments depending on the size of your video, so be patient. CapCut does a good job of handling files smoothly. Once your video is imported, you'll need to move it into the timeline so you can actually edit it. Simply drag your video down from the media panel into the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Think of the timeline as your creative canvas. It's where all the edit magic happens. By placing your video on the timeline, you're telling CapCut, I want to work with this clip, and it unlocks all the editing options for you always. Next, let's talk about cropping. With your video selected in the timeline, take a look over at the editing panel, which is usually on the right if you're using CapCut on desktop, or at the bottom on mobile. You'll see all sorts of tools like cut, speed, filters, but for this, we want the one labeled crop. Go ahead and select that option. Cropping is a little like zooming in with a camera after the fact. It helps you focus in on exactly the part of the video you want people to see. Once you're in the crop tool, you'll notice you can adjust the crop area manually. You'll see a rectangular box over your footage. Grab the edges or corners and drag them to frame the section you want to keep. If you're aiming for a specific look, this is your chance to fine-tune. For example, maybe you filmed a friend skateboarding, but there's a random dog running by the side. Just drag the crop box to exclude that part and zero in on the action. Don't rush here. Take a few moments to preview exactly how your cropped video will look. If something seems off, just readjust the box until it feels right. Alternatively, let's say you're preparing a video for TikTok or Instagram. CapCut makes this easy by offering preset aspect ratios. Look for options like 1:1 for square, 16:9 for widescreen, or 9:16 for vertical videos. Selecting a preset is a real time saver and ensures your final crop will fit perfectly wherever you're posting. Just pick one that matches your platform and CapCut will automatically adjust the cropping area for you. This is particularly useful if you're not sure what dimensions you need. Once you're happy with your crop, whether you adjusted it manually or used a preset, just hit the Apply or OK button in the editing panel. Your video will instantly update, showing the new, cropped view. Take a quick moment to play back your clip so you can make absolutely sure everything looks the way you want. If you spot anything you missed, remember you can always undo and recrop. CapCut is very forgiving, so don't stress if you need to tweak it a bit, and that's it. Cropping a video in CapCut is really that simple, but it can make a huge difference in your final project. I hope this guide makes the process crystal clear and gives you the confidence to get creative with your own edits. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another CapCut feature you'd like to explore. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.